Installing an E3.S hot swap drive. The E3.S hot swap drive replacement procedures for the ThinkSystem SR630 V4 and SR650 V4 are identical.
The server shown in this video is for demonstration purposes only, and the configuration in your server might be different. Note, you might need to update the firmware or drivers after replacing a component. Ensure the drive handle is open. Align the drive with the guide rails in the bay, and gently push the drive into the bay until it stops. Push the drive handle closed. Insert the cage cover into the slot, and then close the cage cover. Important: the E3.S cage covers are designed to ensure the EMI integrity of the server. On server models with E3.S CMMs or drives, E3.S cage covers should be installed over every E3.S cage.